Welcome to the short video on managing the variability of Santa sleigh with Polarian variants. But before we start, I would like to give a quick introduction on the relation between Pure Systems and Siemens Polarian. Pure Systems is a leading product line engineering solution provider and a technology partner of Siemens Polarian. The Polarian Variants plugin for Polarian, which is directly provided by Siemens Polarian, is using Pure Systems technology to add feature-based variant management to Polarian. As it is Christmas season, Santa has a sleigh with reindeers, and depending on where he traveled, he wanted to reconfigure his sleigh with different functionalities such as heating seats, song to be played on gramophone, reindeers to pull the sleigh, and so on. For this, his elves engineers came up with a smart idea. They introduced variant management tooling to easily configure his sleigh based on feature modeling. First, we will briefly see how the concept of feature modeling works. With feature modeling, we can capture on an abstract engineering asset independent level the differences that the variants of a product line can have among each other. Each such difference is modeled as a feature and set into relation with other features of a product line. For example, a feature could be a heated seat, a rain cover, lights for the sleigh, but also the climate zones can be a feature as well, as depending on those, some functionalities might be desired or needed by Santa. Such interdependency information is formalized and put into the feature model too. This feature model is connected to a 150% master specification to express that those variable parts of the requirements are only needed for variants wherein certain features are relevant. Which features are relevant for a specific variant is configured in a so-called variance. This model contains all the features we define in the feature model. In the variants, we select those features of the feature model that shall be a part of the variant. Our variant management tool is helping by taking into account all the interdependencies that have been modeled into the feature model and guides us through the variant configuration. Based on such a variant, the 100% variant specification can be generated out of the 150% master specification by generating documents. The 100% variant specifications are stored in the same or in a separate Polarian variants project. Let's see how this works with Polarian variants. The elves have their requirements in Polarian and they would like to control the variability for different types of sleighs. They have an idea that they could work with the superset of requirements for the sleighs, that is, the 150% master specification holding all common and non-common requirements. Then, with the feature model, they can express what can be different between variants on abstract level in terms of functionalities. Now let's extend our feature model. In future, Santa not only wants to have a reindeer sleigh, but also might want to have an alternative way of moving where he didn't have to always depend on reindeers. So, the elves plan to change the variation type of reindeer's feature from mandatory to alternative. And they came up with a magical autonomous sleigh engine that moves the sleigh without reindeers, which is also expressed as an alternative variation type. This way, the reindeers too could celebrate Christmas with their families. All of this is done on the feature model side. Now, they want to include this magical engine in multiple sleigh configurations. Usually, they would need to add the requirements and test cases manually to each variant, which can be error-prone and time-consuming. With Polarian variants, they just need to add it once to the master specification. The requirements have to be restricted to make sure that they are only part of the variant if that particular feature has been selected. So, In the superset requirements document, they want to express that the requirements for this autonomous technology are only needed for variants that have the feature autonomous technology in it. Hence, they add the restriction to it with the help of the autocomplete functionality. Now, they are ready to configure a new slave for Santa that uses autonomous engine. This is done by creating new variant and selecting all the necessary features in it. Here, Polarian Variants helps to configure a variant by showing error markers at each part of the model where a decision has to be made or to be changed to end up with a valid variant according to what has been modeled in the feature model. They can select the feature Autonomous Engine in the variant configuration for the variants that shall be equipped with it. Once they have a valid variant, they can now generate the needed requirements and test cases from the master specification by selecting Generate Documents. This way, the desired 100% variant specification is generated. Thank you for watching and wish you all a Merry Christmas.